Hello, what you got on your lap there, sir?
Phone.
And why are you using your phone?
I'll stop.
And do you think that makes it legal, do you?
I don't know, who are you?
Me, I'm just an ordinary nobody, but you'll find out if the police choose to prosecute you in about 2 weeks. Put the phone away, please. Still with the phone. Guess he doesn't think it's serious.